where am I? I'm at, where am I? Granite Gorge Nature Park up in the Atherton Tablelands. Probably about 1 hour from Cairns and only about 10 minutes out of Mareeba, so nice and close. But I just got a little tent spot here tonight, so right beside the creek, beside the river. And we're going to go down this way tomorrow morning, and we hopefully will make some friends down there. There's lots of little rock wallabies, probably thousands of them actually, so I've got a little bit of food there for them, bit of wallaby feed, so we'll get down there tomorrow and try and make some friends. But yeah, just out for a couple of nights camping and just chilling out. So I'll go for a walk, see what I'd like to see. I found some spiders. Don't like them. Hopefully they'll stay in the pine plantation forest here. But if you're new here, you found yourself on my channel. My name's Brownie, and welcome to Midlife Adventure. I sort of get up to a few antics on my motorbike, a bit of moto camping, hiking, travelling around, do a few gear reviews on things. So if that's your cup of tea, click the subscribe button down the bottom and the notification bell, and you can see a bit more of that. Alright, I'll see if I can find my way back to my camp now. How good is this? Not too shabby, is it? I don't think I'd go down for a swim. It's, we're just slowly starting to come back into our winter down here in Australia, so it's a bit too cold for me to go swimming. Doesn't look that clean either, this water. But so this sort of goes over the back behind us, down to a great big rocky gorge, and there's thousands and thousands of little rock wallabies that live in there. I reckon we get up early in the morning, we might be able to find a couple of hundred of them anyway. But yeah, it's like its own little jungly rainforest in here. Righto, 6:30 in the morning. I've already made coffee. I've got some breakfast cooking. And after I have something to eat, I'll head down and we'll check out these little rock wallabies, shall we? A really good camp last night. I crashed. I think I slept about 10 hours straight. Got a little visitor over here too, bit of a duck. I think he's just come out of the creek behind us here. Morning mate, how you going? I think he wants a coffee. I'm not talking too loud because there's a few other campers around. Don't want to wake them all up. Alright, I'll get back to cooking my brekkie, and then we'll head down and check out these little rock wallabies. There we go. The little rock wallabies, all friendly. They're not pet ones or anything. They're just wild from up in the rocks over here. but everybody comes down and feeds them, so they are quite friendly. Well, there we go, Rock Wallabies at Granite Gorge. Now they've all had their breakfast, and I've had my breakfast. I might, we might head off, back up my camp and head over to Irvinbank. Just have a nice little camp over there, and we'll say goodbye to all our little friends we've made on the rocks here. Hey, all right. Let's go pack up our camp and get riding, shall we? Okay, well, doesn't look like I'll be going to Irvinbank now. I just got a bit of work on tomorrow, just got caught up, so we'll just go for a ride back down. Maybe go down to Palmerston and cruise on home. Might stop at Bipinda Boulders and have a look. We'll see how we go. But yeah, that's it. One night camping and work tomorrow. Alright, let's rock and roll.